Maybe I ran out of storage space. What about a bucket or something?
What?
Did you say about a bucket?
I didn't say anything about a bucket.
No, I said my phone just went black all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. Maybe I had it on pause too long. I don't know. Just practically lost my phone. It just went black. Goldfish Margie TV. So you'll have to watch a previous video because I don't know what happened before. All of a sudden I just hit stop. Donuts. That's for you. Lady Petticoats. How about that one?
What is the kind of it?
Vanilla. Buttercream.
What?
I don't like buttercream. No, do I like buttercream?
Buttercream, yeah.
Looks like the one we got last time.
What?
This one.
Yeah. Let's see what they are. I can't read it. Can you?
Vanilla cream rose delight cake.
No banana cream, no.
Super parfait. Variety.
Vanilla whipped. I don't like whipped topping either. I want buttercream.
So that one.
Huh?
This one.
You want a red one?
Yeah.
What kind of cake is it? Vanilla,
Floral.
butter, what? Buttercream.
Sequins cake.
Huh? If that's the one you want, get it.
Do you have a color you'd like it in?
The what?
Do you want the color to match or any color?
You can make it match.
All right, sounds good.
Now those are the kind of eclairs that we used to have, not those little bitty things.
You want one?
Getting the bird seed for my birthday.
Yeah, I'm not using my card. You're gonna give me balloons?
Get these.
Well, then I can
Get the
pay.
bird seed?
Huh?
You get the bird seed in this?
Yeah, I should be able to pay in cash. How much were they?
Huh?
How much was the bird seed?
$7.99 I think.
Yeah, I can pay with cash.
20 bucks.
Hmm. And gift cards.